In this video, we're going to walk through how to correctly fit the Corflex Ranger AP. Let's go through the components. In the bag, you'll find a malleable aluminum waistband, the sling, and the airplane portion. When fitting just for the external rotation, you will start with the malleable aluminum waistband. You will then curve it around the patient's waist. From then you will buckle in on the clip. You can adjust here. Use a pair of scissors to cut. Now you reattach the alligator tabs. Velcro onto the patient. Next you have the sling. The patient's arm will go into the sling, hand first, to the elbow. We'll then Velcro along the waistband, over the shoulder, up into here. And then you can make the adjustments to shorten the sling or lengthen it even more. Here you adjust the straps. Needing to, you can cut the strap and then re-clip the Velcro piece. And there you have the external rotation for the Ranger AP. When using the airplane portion, you will need a pair of pliers to remove the two nuts from the waistband as well as the airplane portion. To start here, you will pull this back off the Velcro and do this. You'll need a pair of pliers. These will be on tight at first. To break them loose, you want to take these all the way off. You have to do the same with this by taking the nuts off. Do this in my hand. After hardware has been removed, you can now build the airplane portion to this. The foam is out. We'll now apply the metal portion and the nuts back on. After the airplane portion is back on, we are going to add the foam back in. For demonstration purposes, we will do a 60-degree wedge. Now that your base is built and your foam is inserted, you're going to now add this part back on. You'll line up the holes with the bolts and then apply the nuts. You want to tighten them good and tight for sturdy. And now your airplane portion is now built and ready to be fit to the patient. When fitting, start with this sling first. You're going to adjust it to the patient's arm, elbows back. You will then enclose it. Shoulder strap goes around. You will then buckle it in. Next, AP portion. Place the sling on the Velcro, the airplane portion, and then you will now mold the waist strap to fit the patient. Again, adjusting to the patient's anatomy. From here, you will adjust the sling against the patient's neck. Ready? Front and back. And now they're fit with the Corflex Ranger AP.